Hi guys, I'm back with another tutorial. For this one, I wanted to show you guys how to do a easy smoky eye with all these holiday parties. I figured this is great to know to glam yourself up for the holiday parties that you're gonna go to. The first step that you're gonna do is you're gonna take a medium fluffy brush and a medium brown shadow, and you're gonna put it right on the crease of your lid and just swipe it back and forth, almost in a windshield wiper motion. And you're gonna blend that back and forth a few times to make sure it's all buffed out. You can always add a little more shadow and to make a little darker pigment, but continue with that windshield wiper motion. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a light brown with a bigger fluffy brush, and that's going to help buff out any harsh lines that were left behind. So this one's a lighter brown and a fluffier brush. The third step is you're going to get your dark brown shadow, and with a flat brush you're going to tap that into your lid and pull it down. You don't want to go above the other color, so you're going to just tap that. And what I'm doing right now is I'm taking my other fluffy brush and just buffing that in. So again, tap the shadow in, and the reason why you tap is you want to get more pigment on the lid. So you tap, pull it down, and then with the fluffier brush go back and forth, again with the windshield wiper motion to blend. Now your next step that you're going to do is you're going to take your black shadow, and with that same flat brush you're going to tap on the lower part of your lid to get the most pigment. So you want to make sure you tap all over your lid, and then with the fluffy brush go back to blend. You always want to keep going back to blending. Now every time you blend, you're going to kind of lose some of that brightness of the pigment, so you'll see me go in a few times with the flat brush and kind of redo it, because you're going to lose a little bit of that shadow when you blend it out. So tap and blend. Same thing on the other side. Tap all over. I'm using that white cotton to avoid any fallout, since my foundation was already done before I started the video. Blend it out. And because I lose pigment, I always go back in with the black and redo it until I'm satisfied with the color and blend. You want to make sure you do a lot of blending, and there's nothing worse than harsh lines. So you'll see me go back and forth blending and adding shadows until I am completely satisfied with the way everything looks. The next step is a black liner. You're going to line your bottom lid and the top, and just be careful not poking yourself in the eye like I just did. Underneath, top and bottom, with the black liner. And then with a small dense brush you're going to take that black shadow and you're going to set that liner. Setting it with the black shadow will keep that liner in place all day, and it smokes it out underneath. Now with a little bigger of a brush, you're going to take the brown, the medium brown, and you're going to buff that black liner so it doesn't look too harsh. After that, you're going to put a little mascara and liner. I apparently completely skipped that part of the video, so I just added a little more mascara, a little liner up top, and buffed it out. And now a quick lipstick. I went with nude, but you can do anything you like to do. A little red for the holidays will be cute. I did a little nude lipstick and a little gloss, and that's it. That is the holiday smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.